Welcome! In front of me I have MOBVOI TicWatch GTX, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the MOBVOI application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. Another thing to mention is I recommend to check the battery level on your watch before we start the reset, and it should be at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So if your battery is low, plug the watch to the charger or charge the battery and then reset the watch. Okay, so let's continue with the reset. First thing we need to do is to open the MOBVOI application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon. Here select the option called the settings. Once you open the settings, you should see option called device restore. Tap on it, then tap on OK to confirm. And the watch will reset to the factory default settings, like this. And once you're done, you can close the app. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.